And in this video, we're going to be talking on commodities and what is this commodity market. So we're going to be seeing and understanding that actually, traders, a commodity is a basic good that is interchangeable with other commodities. So the basic good can be, for example, can be gold. For example, we've put some examples here. Can be gold, can be silver, can be coffee. As you can see, for example, gold as a basic good can be then exchanged with other gold products, right, of the same type. So for example, if you go to a goldsmith shop and you want to put your jewelry there and buy other jewelry, you can do that, or even take out that as money. That's what we mean over here. Now on to market size and liquidity of the commodities market. So as you can see, the largest commodity exchange is actually the CME market. Okay, that is the Chicago Mercantile Exchange market, and that has got a monthly turnover of $268 million. Okay, now in this commodity market, the most liquid precious metal is, you want to guess it? Okay, it's going to be gold. Okay, and the most liquidly traded commodity is, come on, you can have a guess, and some of you may have got it right, and that is oil. Okay, that is the most liquidly traded commodity, and the metal being gold. Now we move on to the price increment of the commodity market. So what is the smallest price increment that it can do? So as I've mentioned before, the smallest price increment that can happen in any market is a penny, just like in the UK, which is 0.01, right? So for example, as I mentioned before, you buy any product from the normal economic transactionary world, the smallest price increment that you can move by is 0.01. Now in the UK we call it a penny, in other markets it can be a cent, and so on. Now in the commodity market, the smallest price increment again, traders, is 2 decimal points. Yes, it's 0.01, but we call it, the terminology is, we call it a tick. Okay, and that's what we call in the commodities market. Now as you can see in this module here on commodities, we've gone through what is the commodities market, the market size and liquidity, and now the price increment. Now we move on to the next market. We trust you enjoyed our Traders Education Center tech video. To unlock the full tech modules for free, click on the link below and hit the subscribe button. Then go ahead to register with your contact details and create your unique username and password to enjoy the fully unlocked tech modules.